Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we have GMT on Binance on the daily. Looks like we got an up only coin here. As of now, there's not a lot of history in this, so of course it's going to go up for a while. You did have bearish divergence here on the RSI. There's not a lot of history here, so I'm going to try my best. But that probably already played out. I mean, you had a pretty nice down move here. Looks like your 21 got front ran. I bet you there's another major moving average down there somewhere on a lower time frame. RSI exiting the bullish control zone. Unless we can, we basically have support here. If we drop below this support on the RSI on a closure, I think we're going to go down. Long story short, MACD, fresh cross to the downside, negative momentum is increasing. Vols in the lower zone. Let's move down to the 8-hour. Okay, so we have a little more history here. Your 100 is barely being printed right now. So 21's curling over. RSI, neutral median zone below the signal line. MACD, pretty fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum is increasing. Vols in the lower zone. Let's move down to the 4-hour. I want to get a little more history in here. Okay, so it looks like we made a double top coming back down. I wouldn't be surprised. All right, so either we break the 21 to the upside, or we find support or break the 100 on the downside. So you did get a rejection from the bearish control zone, but if you come back up, test this signal line and go back down in it, that's not going to look good at all. You do have support right where we're at, right where we tested though, like getting people a little bearish in that bearish control zone. MACD, fresh cross to the zero line. We could turn around though pretty quick. We have before. Negative momentum is decreasing a little bit. So I would at least expect a bounce from here. Let's go down to the 1-hour. Zoom in. Okay, so here on the 1-hour, things get a little more clear. Could just be in a big range here. Be honest. Let's go ahead and mark this off because then that'll give us a little more clarity. Something like this. Could just be in a range. That'll tell us a lot whether we break to the upside or the downside. So we did get rejected from the 50. All your moving averages are bearish right now, except for the 21 and the 50 crossing the 200. Now, if that happens, I do think we break the bottom of this range. Next line of support would be at the point of control POC on the VPVR at 317 region. RSI is above the neutral median line, barely. We could come right back down on the next tick. Above the signal line, MACD. Retest of the signal line and resumption up. Positive momentum is increasing a bit. Vols in the lower zone. So this could have been the bounce, or it could have been a double bottom. Now, confirmation of a bounce would be to get a 1-hour closure above 361. Then I would expect us to come up to the middle of the range and where the 100 is sitting at 372. If that can break, I think we can come up to the top of the range at basically 414 region. We break the bottom of the range. Let's find out let's find out what we have landed on. So basically we came right down to the 272 and we've bounced twice off of that. So if that breaks and the bottom of the range breaks, see that 618 lands right at the POC point of control in the VPVR, the 1.618. So if that breaks, I think we come all the way back down to the 272 at 284 region. So those are my thoughts for GMT. Stay tuned. We'll come back to it if it breaks the range. Everyone stay nimble. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. And check out our Discord link in the description below. We've got other links in the description below.